Next up is your entry-level Class C, which is the Redhawk SE. This is the 31FF floor plan. We have the seamless molded front cap. This sits on the E450 Ford chassis with a 7.3 liter engine. Again, come to National Indoor RV Centers and take one of these for the test drive, see if it's right for you. Let's go ahead and check out the storage on the outside. So here's access to your LP tank. Nice storage compartment, and you've got your solar charge controller in the back, 2 110 outlets, and your cable input. Exhaust for your furnace, more storage. Exhaust for the engine, and then our lit storage compartment. Huge storage compartment here in the back. It's not pass through, but it does go very deep and lit. With the E450, you do get the 7,500 pound hitch with 750 torque. And then you've got your spot here where you can store your Stinky Slinky inside the back rear bumper. We have our rear view camera, our high brake lights, nice big window for your rear bedroom, low point drain, and your wet bay. So you have your external shower, water pump, lights, city connection for your freshwater tank, and then the different levers here for when you're filling your freshwater tank and your low point drains. Black holding tank release valve, gray holding tank release valve, and then your attachment for your sewer hose, your fuel fill, more storage. More storage here, 2 110 outlets, cable input, and your pass-through for your 30 amp shore power cord. Our last storage compartment. Then we have our Flex Power 4,000 watt generator and exhaust. Welcome to the beautiful interior of the 31FF. Now this is your bunk floor plan, but you also have this huge area here. So you've got your cockpit here, and then easy access in and out of the cockpit. You could just push this cushion back up, but then when you want to make it a bed, super easy. Now you've got a nice big bed. This will support up to 750 pounds. You're also going to have your TV for the house here. Pull this tab here to release the TV. Then you can put it in the most optimal viewing position for the rest of the coach. So you've got your sofa here, your booth here, and then your bed here. You can see it from all of those areas. So we have our booth dinette. You're going to have storage underneath the seats, and you'll just access it right here. So nice amount of storage. And then this will make into another bed. So you'll notice that this is also legless. One of the things that I love about Jayco. So you just lift this table up, pull it forward, and then it pushes back down, bring in the extra cushions, and you've got another sleeping area here. And I do love that you have this nice big window, because that's what it's all about when you're camping, right? So you can easily black that out when you're ready to go to bed and need some privacy at night. But during the day, you can have that nice and open. The window actually opens so you can get that nice cross breeze as well. Across from the dinette, we have our nice sofa here. This also makes into a sleeping area. It's just a little jackknife bed. So you just lift up, pushes down. Couldn't be easier. You can get 2 small kiddos on this bed, so that's really nice. And another huge window. So we have storage here above the front entrance door. Then we have our controls here for our generator. We can start and stop it. Our slide room. We can check our tank levels. Turn on our tank heaters, our water pump, our gas, and our electric. Then we have 2 huge storage compartments. No divider. Just need to be a little bit taller. Into the kitchen. Check out that storage above the sink, above the cooktop. Then we have our 2 burner cooktop, convection microwave oven, Nice big pull-out drawer. Great storage here, enough room for a garbage can. And then 2 full extension drawers. Sink, and then a nice amount of counter space here. Nicely lit. Freezer and refrigerator. Pantry and more pantry space. Midship bath. So you have plenty of room. You can walk through, access it from the master bedroom, or you got a pocket door here that you can close. Great size shower with the handheld wand. You can turn it on and off from there so you can conserve your water. Then you've got the toilet with the push pedal controls. Nice little shelves there for storage. Our fan. And then we've got our nice bathroom vanity sink here. A great medicine cabinet, lots of storage behind there and storage below. Heading into the bunk area, just really nice. Your basic bunk room, but that's really all you need because you're out in the mountains or at the beach or having fun. You don't need all the other stuff. So I really like just the basic bunk bed. You've got lights, you've got windows that open so you can get some fresh air in here. You've got the privacy curtain for each bunk. And then you have storage. Nice full extension drawers. You also have outlets so you can charge your devices. So really nice little bunk area. So back in the master, we've got the queen size bed that you can walk around, 2 nightstands. We have 2 drawers. And you've got 2 110 outlets. Again, nightstand. So for those CPAP users, you've got a little spot to put that. And you have storage above. You also have the 2 110 outlets and a pass-through port here. And more storage on the other side, no divider. Your second nightstand, 2 110 outlets, storage below the bed, and access to our outdoor. Actually, so this is interesting. This is your storage, but you can access all this from outside. So I didn't realize that when I first opened the storage on the outside, but you can get to the very far end of this easily from the inside. Here's your emergency egress window. You can also black that out super easy so you can have full privacy. And then check out all of the storage here. Nice big drawers. Huge storage compartment there. More drawers. Man, that is a ton of storage. And then behind our mirrored wardrobe, nice wardrobe bar there.